Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will look at Rygin King's response. Also, I don't know if you've heard this, but former President Donald Trump has been shot. Some people are saying it's fake. Some people are saying this is just a tactic for him to win the next round in November, sorry, but take a look. We'll just take a look at these clips and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel though, like the video, leave a comment and share.
The supporters them, you know say, they say me I make a video, you know. I never did for do it, but me have to do it. You see me? Yeah. More know how can I get my album to be promoted the way how I see you guys is promoting something that, you know, we don't really know 100% about. I don't even all I try for you know, I'm not like that. TVJ, Smile Jamaica, the Jamaican diaspora. You see me? Yeah, I beg gonna like stop promote fuckery, bro. Like, you see me? I just drop a good album. I see wanna deal with that, so. You know what I mean? Hopefully, my fans are me, so.
Yes, and basically I say we're not supporting music, we only support the drama, which is what we've heard. He never deny or agree any of the accusations about being arrested. Anyways, about an hour ago, President Donald Trump got shot, allegedly. Look at this video and you decide for yourself if it was fake or not.
A little bit old, that chart. That chart's a couple of months old, and if you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
Move to the spare. Hold. When you're ready. On you. Ready. Move. Up. Move. Go. Up. Popcaan's here. Popcaan's here. Move to the spare.
Do you guys think it was fake? Let me know in the comment section. The other day, Miss Kitty went live and she shared her 2 cents about being a new mother and the struggles that we face. So take a listen.
I can say any man who ill treat them baby mother or partner during pregnancy, them a go hell headway and fast. And any picnic will come this them good mother, you go hell headway and fast. Cause I'm telling you, it's a lot. The money they may tell you, the psychology, everything. Alright, sometimes I don't even remember. Like I said, just I'm gonna be all day now. Cause you just into the baby. You don't eat all day, cause you're into the baby. It's like you're perpetually tired. And then me got to the part where I even know it happened to. But them time when she just born, every ball she ball, me ball too.
I don't know if you guys remember the altercation the other day between Popcaan and DJ Mac. He finally went on Let's Be Honest podcast with Jay Frey and he responded to the whole beat up thing. Listen to this.
There is an altercation, and Poppy. Like, what was that about? Was there an issue beforehand where the public just never know about? Was the case where the media say about him look for Valiant and you just apparently just dead at the wrong time? Like, why your side of that?
Bro, alright. It wasn't no altercation. That's the first thing.
Mm-hmm.
But you see the video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro. It wasn't no altercation or nothing like that. Naturally, people are going to come up with them ideas or how them want it to come out at the time, say, oh, beat up, whatever the case is. But it was not like that, bro. You get me? Simple running, everyday thing. But at the end of the day, it's a learning experience, you know? You have to learn from them type of thing. I mean, how to operate on a normal basis. Because me never know, say, me was that important to such verse. You get what I mean? So, it's just a learning experience. Nothing bad about it or for continue dry it out, nothing like that. Everything I just want a learning experience. So, yo, you know, you have your security measures in place now. Well, it was actually in place tonight, but we did at the time, we did.
Yeah, cause anytime me and you apart, like, you always have some
security.
Yeah, some police at it.
So, I just the night there, we did tell himself to go home. Because
So,
the whole we did already. So.
Yo, when me did hear it, you know, me I say, yo. Like,
how is this?
No, me I hear because at the end of the day, police are not police or security are not security. If a man say, man, crash out, a man say, crash out. But me the expect say to that be like a big brawl. Because me I say, me know the dogs them where you par with, you know me I say, and them on the license up and, you know, active. And them know say your safety are them 100% concerned. So when me see it, no, me I say, I hear box down, me I say, no, sure.
One just inform for my whole operation.
No. I mean, say, it wouldn't even be informed, expected though. Remember I say somebody, you know, bro. So it would have been expected.
I just one of them miss up there. I mean alone.
But the media know it out now, say you get boxed down, like, oh, that make you feel, cause when it just going, you know, you're up on cap. What was cap?
Alright, what me did I say was cap, you know, was the whole box down thing, bro.
Okay.
I never said there wasn't a run-in. You get me?
But you never said what was cap, so we are thinking everything is cap.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. Sometimes you have to word the thing them properly. Yeah. But there was no box down. Oh my God. He's in the hospital. Me hear somebody in the hospital, foot broke up, be a thing. But, bro, that are just them simple running there. Them thing they pass, you move on, you learn from the lesson. When you drive out, you don't drive it by yourself. You see me? But that's at least, bro. What an average, believe me.
Yeah. Alright, so the aftermath of that though, any like reach out from that side if you polish up nothing at all, or just you just want it, you didn't even want to hear nothing, or just not reach out about make?
No, everything dead that night there, man.
Okay.
Everything dead that night there. So we just call it done. Everything dead that night, man.
And we can't expect no this song produced by DJ man.
No, bro, we don't have time for that, bro. Believe me.
And then again, TJ again, no, you don't know. No boy can't box me like DJ man. But can't rang him for that one still, isn't it?
Yo,
We can't rang him for that one still.
Yo, the man is like a character, bro. Literally, the man is a character. That's waiting on a moment, but man, not gonna. As I say, I cannot sing song, bro. So if the man them say something on stage, I can't go back on a stage go say, oh, Ray. No, bro. And guess what now? Yes, when you bring in them negative energy there into your life and just entertain them thing there and so fueled by what's going on. Oh, this man said this, this man said this, this man said this. Them thing that drain energy, bro. You get me?
Anyways, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share. See you next time.